bring it in tight, bring it in tight. Hey man, it's finally here. Finally here. We've been waiting a long time for this. Brad, you've been waiting a long time for this, huh? Let's go. Just gotta dominate. Dominate every play. It's not gonna be easy. It's not gonna be perfect. It don't have to be. Dominate every play. Play for the man next to you. Do that every play. We'll find a way to win. We'll dominate this game. We should dominate. Expect it. Let's go. Dominate on 3. 1, 2, 3. Dominate.
Today, this season of expectations that has Jaguar fans as excited as they've been in a long time. And it begins on the road in a most familiar venue against a division rival.
It's game day, man. Yo, feel the energy amongst your brothers. Feel the energy, man. Take that joint in. Because right now, this is the easy part, man. We waited all the camp for this moment right now. Cut that loose. The noise. Cut it loose. Have fun. Wow. Let's go.
Be blessed today, all right? Love you guys.
Every play. Let's hear it. Communicate. Let's go.
Jeff, we've talked about this season for a long time. It is finally here. A lot of expectations and a tough road game to start this thing.
Yeah, and the excitement level is at where it's never been before with this team because you have a proven Super Bowl coach and a franchise quarterback in Trevor Lawrence, who I believe is ready to take that next step.
Let's go, brother. Let's go, brother. Come on, brother.
But you know by now, Anthony Richardson, the 4th overall pick, is the starting quarterback. It's a different starting quarterback now. 7th straight year for the Colts. Here we go, a shotgun for Anthony Richardson. 4-man rush, Richardson drops. Looking, scrambles out to his left. He is hit from behind and going to be brought down at the 25-yard line. Nice work by that Jaguar defense. And the Jaguars, Josh Allen made the tackle, and the Colts go 3 and out to start the ball game.
Hey, we stopped the run. It's a feast. It's a feast.
We're going to see Calvin Ridley. We've talked so much about him this entire offseason. He brings that #1 dynamic receiver on the outside who can win in most one-on-one matchups. Can't wait to watch him today.
Play fake, dropping, scrambling forward now, fires to the left side. That ball caught by Calvin Ridley. He went up and got it. His first catch is a Jaguar at the 25-yard line of Indianapolis. Trevor still looking. Now scrambles to his left, still looking downfield. Now fires toward the end zone. Caught for the touchdown! Calvin Ridley, his first score as a Jaguar!
Hey, good throw. Because I was just sitting there. I was like, I ain't gonna move because I seen somebody over there. I was like, good beat.
What a great job by Trevor Lawrence. He's looking to his right. Nothing's happening over there. And then he buys time, gets out of the pocket, moves to his left, and then Calvin Ridley just sits down in a hole, and Trevor finds him and puts it on the money.
Colts will start at their 25, and they now trail Jacksonville 7-0 with 5:18 to play in the first.
And this is where you want the Colts, okay? Playing from behind with a young quarterback who has a lot of growth yet to attain as a quarterback passer in the National Football League.
They blitz, they send 6. He gets it out of there. That's caught in the middle of the field. First down and more inside the 15-yard line. Give Richardson credit. He read the blitz, 22-yard gain and a first down. Start the quarter with the 11th play of this drive. It's a 1st and goal from the 2-yard line of Jacksonville. Shotgun formation for Richardson. Dropping to quarterback draw. He runs it up the middle and is into the end zone for the touchdown. Play fake. Trevor looks, fires out to the right flat. That is picked off and being run back by the Colts.
That's a ball that Bigsby needs to catch. The onus is on the defense now to get a stop and hold them to 3.
We're good.
And they're going to go for it. They're not even waiting.
Snapping it very quickly. It'll be a quarterback sneak by Richardson. We'll see. We'll see. I'm not sure. He needed to get it to the 15. I'm not sure he got there.
Good job, D. Way to go, defense. Hey. Let's go get that ball, man. Let's go. Let's go get that ball. Hey.
They blitz him. He fired. That ball is knocked down at the line of scrimmage. The Colts turn it over on downs again.
This is the storm we talking about. We keep on flipping the field, getting the ball back to our offense.
Drop. Fires downfield. That ball's going to be caught. Calvin Ridley along the right sideline. 25. 20 along the far sideline. Calvin Ridley is going to get marked out of bounds.
It looks like Ridley's going to go the distance because Etienne gets out in front of him and gets a huge block.
Caught for the touchdown. Zay Jones in the right corner of the end zone.
Big more plays.
Yeah, y'all ran too. Great route. That's good too. Like you trust that thing to get over the top. So you got fighting to get over. Yeah. Don't ever quit.
This might be one of the best throws I have seen Trevor Lawrence ever make. Two incredible plays by quarterback and wide receiver.
Guys, coaches always talk about the importance of winning the turnover battle, but in this game, the deciding factor could be the 2 fourth-down stops that the Jaguars have been able to get in the second quarter. Those 2 stops on downs should count as turnovers, and it's one of the reasons why the Jaguars are up 14-7.
Shotgun for Anthony Richardson. Play fake, drops the throw. Steps up, looks downfield, fires a little check down now. Deion Jackson caught it. Ball comes out. The ball comes out and the Jags jump on top of it.
That's not how he got up. That way we playing. That's what it hit.
Drops the throw against a 4-man rush. Looks. He's hit. And he is going to be sacked by Trayvon Walker.
No reason to snap it.
They will let the clock run out, and it will run out, and that will end the half. Trayvon puts an end to that. We've played 30 minutes. Jeff, how would you say they assessed how they played against Anthony Richardson in the first half?
Don't stop on him. Take him all the way to the quarterback.
I think they've done a pretty good job. I mean, look, Anthony Richardson is a superior athlete, and he's going to make some plays, and that's just expected. You know, but the one thing you don't want to do is to miss tackles on him here in the second half, and all of a sudden he gets out.
Play fake. They throw a wide receiver screen to Pittman on the left side, and that is well blocked. 25, 20, 15, inside the 10-yard line, toward the goal line. That is going to be a touchdown to Michael Pittman in the left flat, and he went for a 39-yard touchdown. Shotgun for Trevor Lawrence. 2 to either side. Trevor drops. Fires along the right sideline. That ball is caught by Evan Ingram. Somehow made the catch inside the 35-yard line. Knocked out of bounds at the 34 of the Indianapolis Colts.
Remember the story when he got signed as a free agent? He had trouble with the drops. This guy has worked every day, pregame and everything else, on catching the ball, and that was a big-time catch.
Hey, you got to remember, Shane Steichen last year worked with Jalen Hurts, quarterback who was dominant in being able to get these fourth and short situations. Let's see if they go in the bag and go quarterback sneak or quarterback power to get a first down.
They run up quickly, Bucky. Let's see that is what it looks like they may do. They run to the line. They pitch it to the right instead. And the Jags are going to eat it up again. The ball comes out. 3 times the Colts have gone for it on fourth down. 3 times the Jags have stopped them. How good is that by this Jaguars defense?
I saw it.
Dropping is Trevor. Looking. He's hit as he lets it go. The ball came out of there.
That ball's live.
The ball is live and nobody picked it up. The Colts are going to pick it up and they're going to run it into the end zone for a touchdown. Tank Bigsby was there, but he thought it was an incomplete pass. Nobody picked it up. They're going to review this, but the ball was laying on the ground. My goodness.
Go. You worrying about it ain't gonna help us. Go in there and make a play. That's how you're gonna help.
Colts take over at their own 47-yard line, leading 21-17, 12:52 to play. They run it again, and boy, I mean, Josh Allen has had a game. He absolutely drilled Jackson in the backfield. What a game, what a play by Josh Allen back at the 45-yard line.
He's been everywhere, and he's played almost every snap. He has 3 sacks. That's a tackle for a loss. He's been good in run and pass.
Yeah, it was. Rigoberto Sanchez on the punt now.
I've been telling him to call that.
Jamal Agnew says get away from it, and it takes a Colts bounce, so Jamal picks it up. That was smart. He's going to try to go to the far sideline, 15-yard line, 20-yard line. Along the far sideline, Jamal Agnew still in bounds. Jamal into the open field, into Colts territory, and what a return by Jamal Agnew.
I mentioned at the beginning of the game, if you guys remember, before the kickoff, I said, you know, you got 2 big returners in this ball game, Dallas Flowers and Jamal Agnew, and right now, advantage Jaguars and Jamal Agnew. That play right there was huge because this team, this offense needed a boost in a big way. The defense provided it with a stop. Jamal Agnew provides a huge boost with a big return.
They run it with Tank Bigsby. Tried to break a tackle. He's moving the pile. He's still moving the pile. Bigsby is down near the goal line. High snap, he handles it. Hands it to Bigsby. Touchdown!
We don't come down. We don't go down easy. Behind your man.
Run the ball.
Right? They're going to have to stop.
I told myself I'm not going. What I told you to go do? Make a play. You make a play, you make me want to make a play.
Dropping is Richardson. Dropping. Fires deep downfield, and that ball is intercepted by Tyson Campbell. He picked it off. He picked it off at the 43-yard line of the Indianapolis Colts. He's got a little bit of room, 20, 15-yard line. Grub is in the end into the end zone. Touchdown, they have extended the lead. Do it.
Great job.
What?
You got to grind it out.
Well, and here's the thing. This offense is just getting warmed up. Okay, you don't play a lot together in the preseason. They're going to get better and better and better.
What a win this was for Jacksonville. Down 21-17. Couldn't really get the offense going. Jamal Agnew then sparked up. Jackson never scored this many points here. What a day for Jacksonville.
Yes, sir.
Great job. Find a way. Just win. Just win.
Hey.
Oh, yeah.
Hell yeah. One thing I know and I appreciate about you guys, it's 4 quarters, man. It's 4 quarters. And these games, I don't care if they're division opponents or not, you understand what we talk about. You're learning, and we learned last year how to finish and how to win games, how to go take games, okay? And that's crucial right there. That's big. That's big moving forward. That's an AFC South game. That's a win on the road, which we haven't done in a while here, which is congratulations. And guys, it took all 3 phases, did it not? Ags, we had a great kickoff return. Right? Great takeaways and a goal line stop to win the game. Right? And then Offensively, we just figured it out. We just stayed with the plan, and we just figured it out, and we got in the end zone. TJ, hell of a run, TJ. Hey, let's go from here. Let's learn from it. Okay, let's learn from it. Let's clean it up. I know it's week 1, but let's clean up the mistakes. Let's get ready for a tough physical home football game next weekend. But before that, let's celebrate. Hey, we got to get one before we break it down. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bring it up. Come on.
Great job, fellas. Way to find a way. 1-0. We're on to the next. Jags on 3. 1, 2, 3. Jags!